In today's video, I will guide you on how you can download free plugins for Premiere Pro. So if you're wondering where you could get free plugins for free, and the best place that you could do that is here on YouTube, because there are a lot of creators, a lot of videos that would be offering free plugins, just like this one right here. I just simply search for free plugins for Premiere Pro, and there is a lot of videos already. So for example, I'm going to choose this video and see what plugins this would offer us. And from here, you can just go into their description, and then you'd be able to see the plugins here and their links where you could download them. So take note that I suggest that you should watch the video in here so that you'd be able to know the installation process, or maybe how you could download them, because there would be a different process for each video, or depending on the site that they would give you in here. So make sure to look out for that. So for this one, I'm just going to go for copy pasta. When I click on this link, I will now be redirected in here. So as for this site, I would need to log in first before I can see the download button here. So yeah, that would depend on the site that you are in. So as you can see, I have now downloaded the plugin file right here. All I need now to do is to install the file in here into my Premiere Pro. So yeah, just keep a lookout on the tutorials in here. Like for example, we have some tutorial in here how you could use this plugin and many more. So yeah, you could also go for other links right here in the video. So make sure to stay tuned for the other notes, because different plugins might require different steps on how you could use them. Some have a built-in installer in those files that you have downloaded, so you could just use that and it would automatically be installed in Premiere Pro. So that's it on how you could download free plugins for Premiere Pro. I hope this video has been helpful to you. Thank you for watching.